Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional high scoring resume using AI tools. We will be using GravityWrite to write the perfect resume draft, Canva to design it beautifully, and finally test it on Naukri.com's resume score checker to make sure that it's legit and ready for job applications. So let's get right into it. Firstly, you would need to head over to your browser and then search for GravityWrite. And here you can see the link to GravityWrite website where it says Resume Writer. So just click on that. And then it takes you to this interface which asks you for your role and your name, your educational background, key skills, and projects. So just go ahead and fill in all the details. And once you're done filling in all the details, just go down and click on Create Content. And now it will ask you to sign up. So just sign up with your Google account. And then here it asks for some default questions. So go ahead and answer that. Now, once you're done setting up your account, you will arrive at this interface. And here it will show you all the details that you filled in. So you can go ahead and edit that if you want. And then you would need to go down and click on the create content option. So once you click on that, and then in just a few seconds, GravityWrite will generate a clean, professional, ATS friendly resume draft, including the summary, experience, educations, projects, and skills section. You can even go ahead and edit anything which you don't like. And after that, you can go ahead and copy this text. So once it's copied, now we can finally move on to the design section. So for that, you would again need to head over to your browser and search for canva.com. So once you are here at the interface, just sign up. And once you're done signing up, from here you can search for resume templates. So now just type in resume templates. And then here you will see all the templates that Canva offers. So just choose any clean and modern design, preferably something minimal, ATS compliant. So once you've selected that, just click on customize this template. And here you can edit your design. Now from here, you can customize fonts, adjust spacing and match colors if you'd like. Just don't overdo it. Keep it professional and easy to read. And now once you're done with the editing and you're happy with the design, just click on the download button from here. And here as you can see, your resume has been downloaded in a PDF format. So now to test the resume, you need to head over to Naukri.com resume score. You will get this link, so just click on it. And once you arrive at this interface, you need to click on the browse option here and it asks you to upload your file. So just select your resume and click on open and it will start evaluating your resume score. And here as you can see, it says that our resume is high quality. So with little to no effort, we got a high quality resume. And if you just add in a little more tweaks, you could get the perfect resume. Now, after all that, you need to make sure that your resume matches the job role you're applying for. GravityWrite even allows you to generate customized versions of your resume for different roles. Also, don't forget to keep it in one page if you're a fresher or under 5 years of experience. So, well, that's it. You just created a high scoring AI written, professionally designed resume all for free. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.